If you're experiencing login failures on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to verify that your connection is stable. Step 2. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix login issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Verify account credentials. Double-check your login information. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your PlayStation Network account. Step 4. Update system software. Outdated software can cause login problems. Go to Settings, then System Software, and select System Software Update to ensure you have the latest version installed. Step 5. Reset password. If you still cannot log in, consider resetting your password. Visit the PlayStation website, select Forgot Password, and follow the prompts to create a new password. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on the PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance. Happy gaming!